Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Comfort. In today's video, we'll be talking about Candy Pockets and how you can mine this cryptocurrency free of charge without any investment. But before we start this video, if you're new to my channel, do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and then turn on the bell button to get notified whenever I post a new video like this. So let's get into this tutorial. So guys, this is Candy Pocket. This is a very good and promising project. This Candy Pocket is available on App Store. You can go to App Store, download Candy Pocket, or you can just register through their website and then you start mining. You register with your email address and then you start mining. Okay. And another thing is that this coin has not been launched yet. You just need to accumulate as much as you can before the launch date. Okay, before the launch date. And another thing is that you can interact with the core team of this coin. You can interact with them. You can ask series of questions through their Telegram channel. So I'll be dropping their Telegram channel. You can join the Telegram channel and then interact with them about the launch date. They are there. They will answer your question, guys. You don't need to invest any dime on this. This is totally free. So let's just go ahead. This is a website. You can see here I'm on their website now, and on this website you can download Candy Pocket. You can download Candy Pocket. They have the iOS download, you have the Android, and you can see here they have the Whitepaper. Okay, now what is Candy Pocket? The world first metaverse sharing platform to receive income for free. Like I said, that the mining is totally free. You don't need any investment for this. All you got is just your data on, and then you mine this every day. Okay, now the total number of candy is 2.1 billion. All users mine and obtain it at zero cost. The starting price is 0.1 USDT. You see that the starting price of this is 0.1 USDT, okay, for just one candy. And this is a time for you to mine this candy as much as you can. Mine this, accumulate this as much as you can, rising once every 24 hours with a range of 0.001 each time. So guys, this is a very good and promising project. Okay, I'd advise you to get into it and then mine it with your Android phone. Okay, mine it with your Android phone, and it's totally free. Okay, I will drop in the description, on the description box. I'll be dropping the link there. Just click on that description box, you will see the link, and then you click on the link to redirect you, and then all you got to do is just to click on register and then go to Play Store, download the app. The app is they're still working on the app. So if you are finding it difficult to mine on your app, depending on the kind of phone, you can just mine through their website. So let's just go ahead and check what they have here. Let's go ahead and see. I'll scroll down. Now we have the technical features. We have the technical features. Let's see. This is the site of this candy. The candy node. Each mobile device will be a network node. Each node will link new nodes, and ultimately from a candy meta universe, forming a global decentralized community. So let's just go down. You see the rules. You can see we have NFT. We have NFT here, and we have L Iron. When you recommend, guys, remember this is a free to earn. You share to earn more. Okay, for you to be able to accumulate more before the launch date, guys, you just need to share your referral link. Okay, and now these are the plan. We have, when you recommend 0 to 6 users, the hash rate will increase from 0.4 BH, and this, which is this L, this the one with the green symbol. Then we'll now go to silver. Silver is when you recommend 7 to 15 users, and your hash rate will increase from 0.8 BH. Then we'll go to this gold color. Then we'll have when you recommend 16 to 29 users, and then you have 1.2 BH. And we have diamond when you recommend 30 users, and this is how your hash rate keep on increasing. So for the main time before the launch date, all they said is for you to accumulate this. And if you go to the Telegram channel of this candy, people ask question, they ask series of questions. They said, I hope not, it will not be maybe after okay, let's just say during the lunch time they will ask for referrals, and they are there, they said no, that there will be no such things as referrals. So the referrals are not they are not necessary, but it is good for you if you refer, because by the time you refer, your hash rate will be increased. Okay, it will help to increase your hash rate, which will help you to mine more candy. Okay, so you can see this is their Telegram channel. You can join their Telegram channel, and this Telegram channel is open for all the country. We have the one for Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, we have the one for US. If you're in US, so many can be made it. You can just pick the particular one. If depending on your country, you just join their Telegram channel, and then you interact. You can ask question here on their Telegram channel, and the admin are there to ask. You can see the series of questions that are going on. People are asking questions, so you guys, you can just join and ask all your questions here. Okay, so let's go back to the website. Let's go back and check for the white paper. Let's go back. They say for each recommended user, the computing power increases by 0.015 BH. Okay, now we have here the node income. Let's check on the node income. Okay, now the global initial node, you recommend 19 to 99 users, you'll be having 0.02 BH increase. So the more you invite, the more you accumulate more, the more you accumulate more. So after this explanation, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys my minings. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my. Take note that this project has not been launched yet, and I said for now the core team said that you can mine as much as you can before the launch date. Now when you recommend from 100 to 199 users, this is how you keep on your hash and rates keep on increasing. Every 18 days of mining, the comprehensive computing power will increase by 10%. The upper limit of single user income is PH. After reaching the upper limit, no more income can be obtained. So guys, you can just also on your own carry out the research about this project, and you will see that this is a very promising project. This is a promising project. You have nothing to lose here. All you got to do is just to log in daily, and then you mine in daily. Okay, mine daily. You don't have anything to invest. You don't have to invest a dime on this. This is totally free. You can download the app from Play Store, and if you find it difficult to mine it through the App Store, you can just mine it through the website. Okay, you can mine it through the website depending on the kind of phone you are using. Take note I said earlier. Officially launched in the second quarter. The first phase cost mining. Okay, now this first one is talk about the launching. Start NFT mining. All users register to receive NFT mining machine and start zero cost mining. Okay, now this is a roadmap for this project, and then we'll go to number 2. Here they said when 1 billion candy pieces are produced, NFT mining will be stopped and C2C trading will be started. At the same time, the mining mode of DeFi Pledge has a total output of 900 million pieces. After C2C is open, Candy initial opening price is 0.1 presently, increases once every 24 hours with an increased range of 0.001 U. The rising process continued until the third stage started. Okay, so guys, without having to waste much time, all you got to do now is just to jump into this project. Now you still have time to mine. Okay, just to jump into this project, and then share your link as much as you can. And then the first 3, when the total output of candy reaches 1.2 billion, candy metaverse will be officially launched. But they have not indicated the date of the launch phase. What they said, for you to keep mining. Now after the total amount of candy reaches 1.5 billion, dividends will be distributed, and 90% of all business profit will be distributed to candy holders. So guys, they explain everything here clearly. Okay, so let's go back to my minings. I've already my mining. Let's see, this is my mining. You can see for the past 4 days I've been mining candy, and I have 42.8 candy. and I have 12.84 USDT. So guys, you can accumulate more candy and USDT, and then share your link and then mine this project. This is a very good and promising project, and this project does not require your income. It does not require you to invest any money on this. It doesn't require anything. All you got is just your data, and then you keep mining this. So I'm going to show you where to get your referral link, how to get your referral link. So guys, I'm going to show you how to get your referral link. By getting your referral link, you just click on share to upgrade. Once you click on the share to upgrade, a link will appear. Okay, just click on share to upgrade, then you just need to copy the URL. You copy it, you just click on copy, and that is a copy successful. And then you go and share it. Share it on WhatsApp, share it on Facebook, share it to get more miners. Okay, the more you get, the more your mining rate will be, your hash rate will increase. Okay, so this is just how to, and more so you can join their Telegram page, on Candy. Once you join it, you interact with them, you can ask series of questions there, and you can ask questions there about this project. So without wasting much time guys, I'm going to stop here today, and make sure to check in daily to keep on to keep mining your candy. Once you mine today, you check in again if the mining has stopped. 24 hours mining, so you check in again, and then you keep mining again. Okay, you mine again, mine every day, keep mining every day. Okay, mine every day, accumulate as much as you can. Now this is totally free, so accumulate as much as you can, so I'm going to stop here today. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and then have any question, just drop your question on the description box there. Go to the question box and then type your question, and I'll do well to answer your question. So guys, do well to like this video, share it, and then subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, remain blessed. Bye bye.